Today we're going to do faux locks. They are going to be the individual crochets. Crochets can be done on a cornrow, but today we're going to do them individually. My client here today, with her beautiful curls, has a very insulated scalp. It's insulated by her curls naturally. So by doing the individuals, where this will be about the size of the section, by doing the individuals, what we're going to do is allow her scalp to breathe, which is definitely necessary. She takes great care of her hair. There's a lot of conditioning and the trims and the protein treatments like everyone should be doing. And so in this case, we're going to, after a nice long rest, we're going to do individuals so her scalp can breathe. Watch me work. And I'm gonna do the first one so that she can see exactly what I'm doing. Approve or disapprove. From there, we will be able to continue or make adjustments accordingly to what is going to fit her lifestyle best. And Tika, you said your hair liked the growth formula, not your scalp, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, my hair loves it.
Dang, your hair grew long, Trey.
I know.
I thought I'd be done braiding by now.
When I was conditioning this one, I was like, ooh-wee.
Because I'm backing them off the edge, because you had the issue with the edges in the past. So your weight is going to start back here. But even though this is light, I still didn't want to be wrapping on your edges.
So it just looks bigger because you're pulling it back.
Right,
for
right.
the edges.
So my focus is on getting off of your edge, especially in these areas.
No, I get it.
But it's starting just like we did with the cornrow, and then we did the box braids. Same concept. To where this one will be a long rectangular section, and then you'll have all your volume up in here.
Okay, so you have smaller ones back here.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Cool.
But I'm backing off your edges to keep your edges healthy, so you don't have to think about it when you pull them up into a ponytail.
Okay.
You know, because I know you're not assaulting them.
Gotcha.
We're going to put the growth formula on the ends of the hair, not on the scalp. And this is going to be to make sure that the hair is receiving the nutrition. Thank you, telephone. I'm braiding the inner portion of her lock extension, so basically her natural hair, so that it does not begin to lock while it is in that lock extension, because otherwise, if I wanted to start her hair with locks, utilizing this particular lock extension method, I would just do a twist. Braided sections do not become true to life locks, I want to say. Eventually they get ragged, but they don't really lock. And I'm making sure that I put the nutrients all the way at the ends, which is why I throw it around my finger. I'm doing longer sections, rectangular sections in the front, in order to not put too much weight on the edges, and I'm doing square sections everywhere else. And they are all the same size throughout. There aren't larger sections in the center, smaller section on the edge. I'm wrapping this around, unwrapping, and then proceeding to wrap it around her braid. I'm wrapping it tight, not tight against the hair. You see I'm not doing a whole lot of flipping it after I unravel it, right? Alright, so this one slides back through. That's it. That's all. Only reason why I don't call it growth encouraging is because growth encouraging, I feel, insulates the scalp, and this doesn't at all.
Right, because it's still hanging from the scalp off.
Right, it's not creating a greenhouse effect any way, shape, or form. None of that. You gotta straighten out at the root. So I wrap the lock right against the root after attaching the extension section to make sure her hair stays in the lock. There's an example of her hair not wanting to be in the lock. So, and that's all it is sitting it inside of the center. But it creates this, what I call, ugly knot right there. So what I'm doing, after I make sure that her hair is inside of the lock extension, because this is a protective style, so our focus is on protecting the hair she has. So what I'm going to do with this knot is, as gently as possible, use this Marley hair, which is going to wrap right before that lock begins. So I'm going right behind it and then right on top. So what I'm doing is I'm now compressing that knot. And because I have the tail end of the hair in my hand, I don't have to pull against my beautiful client's scalp. As you can see, her scalp isn't bunching or puckering or anything like that. I'm not trying to remove hair follicles at all. But I am creating a cocoon for the hair follicles that are already in existence. Kind of like swaddling a baby. This also is going to keep the lock from looking super shiny. Natural locks are not shiny. They have a little bit of a rough, matted look to them. And now that creates a smooth transition from her natural hair into the actual lock. Opposed to the ones that are not looped and they have this hideous knot here, we have a smooth transition for our client. So if she wanted them to lock, she can continue retwisting at the roots. If she didn't, she can completely remove them.
I have been coming to Ms. Jazzy before I even went natural. I was coming to her 7 years or something.
I think so.
It's like 7 years. Yep, she's taking good care of me.
As always.
You sit in a chair and relax. It's gonna be right when I get out of this chair. That's all I got.